Hi, I'm Karen Rohlf, and welcome to the Dressage Naturally Happy Athlete Training Scale course. This is the bridge between partnership and dressage. Many of you have heard about the dressage training scale. Well, the Happy Athlete scale comes before that. We'll take a holistic view of training, including how to create more happiness and harmony between you and your horse, how to establish better communication, as well as some exercises that will help you more playfully improve how your horse moves. I send them the message of, wouldn't it be nice to relax there? Could you relax under my hand? And so this is quite nice. I like to always check that I could stop if I wanted to. Yeah, really nice. Good job. So I want you to tell me when you feel a level of energy that feels like, oh, I'm getting some of the adjectives that I'd like to feel from my horse. What I want to help you with is to actually create keenness, calmness, attentiveness, and understanding. So by doing these Dressage Naturally techniques, it's actually helping you achieve the actual object of dressage.